These educational insights have been brought to you by Weinberger Law Group. Now, our hope is that you've learned about the unexpected impacts of divorce and how they may affect you, as well as some ways to protect yourself and your family against the overlooked risks and threats, along with some questions to ask yourself and your lawyer to ensure that you're taking the right approach. Now, if it's okay, I'd like to share some background with you. Every attorney at our firm will advocate for your best interests. Our attorneys are pleasant but protective, firm yet caring, and prepared to do the right thing at the right time for you. Weinberger Law Group places a premium on close and effective attorney-client relationships, and we strive to be your legal partner for all your New Jersey family law needs. Our firm is devoted exclusively to helping clients and their families in their most difficult time of need and transition. Our attorneys understand that every situation is different. The issues in your New Jersey divorce will not be the same as the issues in someone else's divorce. Therefore, each case requires its own unique approach. We will provide you with a team of New Jersey divorce attorneys who can help you find a solution that fits the individual circumstances of your family. Our attorneys will listen closely to the details of your specific situation and help you devise a solution that's best for you. Weinberger Law Group is headed by Barry Weinberger, who is certified by the Supreme Court of New Jersey as a matrimonial law attorney. Now, this certification is achieved by only 2% of attorneys in New Jersey. Barry is also the associate author of the New Jersey Family Law Practice, a 5-volume treatise which is a leading reference guide for all judges and attorneys throughout the state. And following her lead, the attorneys at the firm serve as early settlement panelists, mediators, and court-appointed guardians throughout the state. Each lawyer has extensive courtroom experience. In fact, many of our attorneys are former clerks for well-known family law judges in New Jersey. Now, what that means is they work behind the scenes to get a better understanding of the law and process from the judge's perspective. Now, additionally, our attorneys are active in state, county, and American bar associations, as well as many other influential and prominent organizations. Now, also, every attorney at our firm is required to complete at least 24 hours of continuing legal education every 2 years. You can read some client reviews about our firm online, but here's what a few of our clients had to say about their experience with us.
Had I not engaged the Weinberger Law Group, I believe that my divorce probably would not have started with as much of a sense of fairness and decency and trying to avoid the nastiness. I think starting out with the Weinberger Law Group put me in good standing, and it helped me to begin right in a decent way, but also protecting my rights and what I was advocating for, what I believe was the best possible outcome for all involved, most especially my kids.
Divorce cannot be fun, so it's hard times, but it went very well, if I could say so, and took a lot less time than I expected.
They took it personal, in the sense that if I was going to be their client, then they were going to be somewhat of a family member, and for lack of a better term. They really did make me feel comfortable and make me feel like, they were going to be my teammate and not just, out to get money or the business aspect of it. It was really, they were in it for the game.
Being a healthcare professional, I think I could easily just do tasks, but I think my patients appreciate when I'm actually human and listen to them as well and know that I'm really listening. And with Barry, like I said, there were some things she brought to my attention that the other counsel I had seen previously, they weren't bad, but they said nothing of some of the things that she had said. And the thing that she came to me with is I told her some of the basic facts, and instantly in the first conversation she brought some things to my attention that I had no idea about, whereas the other counsel had never even suggested it. And this was a matter of a huge difference in the final settlement with what she did.
What I was looking for in a firm was to have a good connection with the attorney. I wanted someone with whom I could trust, who understood my point of view, and who could empathize with everything else going on in my life. It was a monumental task from my perspective. I interviewed a lot of people, I had met with a lot of lawyers, but I was very happy when I did settle with Barry. I felt that she was a perfect match.
We're so pleased that many of our clients volunteered to share their experience with us. You should know that these were completely unscripted. Clients have chosen Weinberger Law Group to handle all of their family law and divorce-related matters for a reason. We hope you now recognize why. Your next step is to call our office and to schedule an appointment with one of our experienced New Jersey family law attorneys. Thank you again for joining us.